Hello, Brent Sermon here, Midlands Home Inspections. Performing a home inspection on new construction today. People always ask if you should get a home inspection done on new construction. Absolutely. Master bath sink here. We have a leak on the P-trap. We're running that. We got water dripping down, so definitely shut that off before we cause any damage to that cabinet. But definitely recommend getting the builder to come back in, get that corrected. And also here in the master bath, toilet area, along the ceiling there, we already have mildew, stuff growing from excess condensation up around that fan. So we definitely got some issues up in the attic space as well. So we'll definitely be recommending a contractor to come back out here and get these items corrected for the builder before the buyers move into the home. Brent Sermon, Midlands Home Inspections.